These are the Delicava scissors. They're designed to provide a much easier way to free up the tension in your flap and also debride the margin of your flap to allow for a better and easier closure of your flap. They have split-handled shanks here, which allow you to get a more ergonomic grip on your scissors. It also has a nice rest at the joint of the scissor to allow a rest point for your index finger, allowing a much more precise amount of cutting. They have blunt tips. These tips curve fairly dramatically to allow for better access to the flap work. They have flat, thin, dissecting blades to get into tight spaces to bluntly separate mucosa from periosteum. And finally, they have a serrated edge here to allow for easier cutting of the tissue, and that serrated edge also allows you to take a sliver of tissue off the margin without wasting a lot of tissue. The Delicava flap scissors should be delicate enough to do the flap work for the cat, but also sturdy enough to do the flap work on the dog. The Delicava flap scissors for freeing up the tension in our flap by severing the periosteum, trimming up the margin of our flap,